Hello everyone! Ayan, magluluto tayo ng fried rice, cabbage with skin meat. Ayan, pork belly guys. At meron siyang small dried prawn at dried mushroom. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Masarap siya guys. Lagyan na lang natin siya ng light sauce, salt, dash white pepper, at halu-haluin lang natin. Ayan, iginesa ko yung yung meat first. Ayan, yung meat ilalaga muna natin, saka hiwa-hiwain siya ng maliliit. Ayan, so this is it, ang ating dinner for today guys. Ang ating lagyan natin ng konting sesame oil para mag-oily siya. Ayan guys, para maganda ang kanyang texture. Ayan, thanks for watching.